on behalf of the stock market vigilantes, I'd like to say, Mr. President, take down this tariff wall. This is just the most absurd policy that one could possibly imagine. And it's a disaster for the economy. It's a disaster for the stock market. And I think the pushback on the administration from the stock market vigilantes is already quite intense. This is turning out to be not Liberation Day +1. It's turning out to be D-Day on Wall Street.
I mean, Yardeni, you were weaned in this. I mean, to go back to the huge academic debates of the 20th century and the development of our great economic programs out to Stanford and UCLA as well, this policy at Yardeni isn't a 20th century debate. How far back is the president going? Is he beyond Stanley Jevons? Is he beyond John Stuart Mill? Is this guy taking us back to a mercantilism of the 17th century?
Absolutely. Well, I mean, really back in time, and certainly well before McKinley, which seems to be his favorite role model, favorite president in terms of tariffs. The president may love tariffs, but nobody else does. Nobody in the stock market loves tariffs. They are killers of economic growth. They lead to inflation. I mean, the president seems to be asking for a recession. He said that this would cause pain. I don't think he appreciated how much pain it could possibly cause.
So, Ed, as you think about investment, I don't know, opportunities, risks here, what do you do with a portfolio today? What is a strategy in a world where we have substantial tariffs and therefore maybe issues with economic growth, with inflation? How do you position a portfolio today?
Well, there's so much uncertainty out there, but my feeling right now, and it could change rapidly depending on what the president says next, is that it's too late to panic. I think if you've got a good portfolio, you stay with it. I think that the political pressure on the administration to become more reasonable about this whole thing quickly is going to be intense. I mean, the Republicans are going to lose their majority in the midterm elections if nothing changes on this mistaken course.
Ed, I mean, it seems like I don't know where to go here. I think a lot of investors are looking at their screen this morning saying, boy, I've got the stock market down 3-4%. I mean, I've got yields plunging. Even gold is off 1.8%. I'm not sure where to hide here. Any thoughts there?
Well, I think the only place to hide is in your portfolio. Just stay with it. I think we'll get through this. I think that there will be a lot of pushback to change it. I think I'm not the only one calling on the president to take down this tariff wall. I think the pressure is going to be intense to declare victory by getting some movement on the other side of the negotiating table, but to get victory and claim victory rather rapidly.